telling you guys how much we made in March of 2021. This is really a journey to us, and I want to be able to have these videos to look back on to be able to show you, because in another year from now, I hope to triple this number that we're going to be looking at today. I also decided to make this video because I genuinely love to be transparent with people. I came from nothing, and not only do I want to be inspiring to others, but I personally love to watch how much people make and how they make money online. I'm obsessed with watching those videos. I could watch them all day. So I hope to be able to provide inspiration for you. And again, this is not a flex. I'm really tired of seeing a lot of courses on TikTok or courses on YouTube that I feel like don't add as much value. That's their hustle and that's fine. But personally, I want to put up educational videos that are genuinely going to help you become a better businessman or woman online. If you guys know me, you guys also know that currently I'm a full-time dental hygiene student and I go to school from 4 to 5 days a week. It's almost like having a full-time job and trying to still maintain these businesses, but my husband and I now do this full-time other than me being in school, and I think we're doing a pretty good job at keeping it under control. School, I do feel like limits my creativity as I can't be at home all the time thinking of new ideas. So with this being the number that I'm making while I am in hygiene school full-time, I cannot wait to see our potential and where we go once I finish school. This is also proof that if you work a full-time job or you're in school full-time, you can still make money.
So these are my analytics for Bodyful. This is the all-time analytics. We're going to go to our monthly analytics here, and we're going to go to March of 2021 because April just started yesterday. So you guys can see we made $21,000 in revenue from March. Our top selling items were the pink boba bundles and the boba babies, of course. Guys, if you guys want a video on how I made my website for free, you guys can go to my other video. I will link you here.
So if you guys know us, you guys know that we are also full-time YouTubers, so I'm going to be showing you how much we have made so far from YouTube as well, because this month, obviously, to equal the 30K that we made this month is also included in our YouTube channel that we work on as a family. So going into that, I'm going to show you guys analytics. This is the first time I've ever shown you guys analytics for our family YouTube channel. So our monthly estimated revenue, which was already paid, so even though it says estimated, that really is what we get paid. For March of this year, we made $10,600, and you guys can see the previous months we did make more, and December too was one of our best months as well because the CPM was very high. YouTube is all about CPM. The CPM goes up and down, which is how much you get paid per 1,000 views. So you guys can see like our top viewed videos here that made the most money in March. Like these videos right here were made like months ago and they're still generating income, which I find very interesting with YouTube. So you guys can see from here, pretty much I'm just really being transparent and showing you guys exactly how our channel looks. We only really posted, I think, like 4 videos on YouTube within that month. So I eventually do want to get on a post schedule of posting maybe like 4 times a week. Right now we're only able to post once a week only because of my school schedule being so hectic and not being able to create content every single day. So between YouTube and Bodyful, we combined together to make $30,000 a month for this month of March 2021. These 2 sources of incomes are not our only sources of income. We have other smaller ones, which I won't get into today, but just know that it may be a little bit above what I may have shown you today as well. You guys also know that another reason why my business was a bigger revenue this month was because of one TikTok that I made that got 5 million views, which I will be doing a video about how I cracked the TikTok algorithm and how my videos are constantly going viral on my business page on TikTok. So that is pretty much the video for today. It was really just a showing video of how much we made this month. I'm super happy because 30,000 right now is our goal for each month. I eventually want to, I've always said by the end of 2021, I want to make 100,000 in 1 month. So that is currently our goal. Thank you guys so much for watching and being a part of our Bodyful family. I can't wait to put out more content, business related content for you guys and helping you guys grow your businesses online. You guys are the best and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye you guys!